Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new project named as UX. I will share all the detail about this project. It is an AI design project for you. You can do work on it. You can see their NFTs here. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So now here you can see UX is the project on the logic shape the future. So AI designed by you, and you can see they have the executed with the logic. You can know about the AI, and you can even know about the chat GPT, DeepSeek, and all that Meta AI. They are all about the chat GPT, and other are by AI. So it is also the project which is from the AI named as UX, a framework for a personal AI architecture. Most AI today still functions as one size fits all tool. So reactive, pre-trained, and built for generative use, it does not adapt to your personality, reflect your tone, or create a value from the emotional investment you make in it. So you can work on it, and you can even create for emotional investment scenarios. So UX introduced a new here executable identity. AI is no longer something you simple use, it's something you build you from yourself. So here they give you the opportunity that you can make it by yourself, and they will give you the traits became their modular components that define your AI thinks, responds, and involves grounded in the emotional logic and design for a long-term utility. You can see they have given their NFTs characters, and they are so cute here. So you can see they have given it the three things that if you are here to explore, start with the UX NFT collection, a blind box drop, a digital trade designed for discovery collection, and you can go for their blind box, and you can here, if you are here means you can go for them, shape your virtual identity and interact through your X social layer where AI and users engage across mood based spaces and conversations. So they are telling you that if you are going to do with it, you can go for these things that you can explore with the NFT collection. You can connect with AI layers, and here the thing is that if you are here for practical use, offers a full stock to build tools, train utilities, drive an agents, and deploy personas. You can see that deliver both emotional impact and the iconic value. So this is not just a personalization, it's intelligent architecture deployed through you, owned by you, and built to earn with you. So you can easily make money in that way. Digital trades for a new age of identity. There they give the collection that marks system point of entry. They give the blind box that release two type of boxes, each revealing digital traits that capture the irony, chores, and emotional of an AI native identity more than a collectibles. These NFT encode emotional behavior into the logic modules that shape your AI built, assessed, and evolve. You can see blind board discover is given here is a capsules. So you can see you can go for blind box discovery and traits revealed at random, encouraging exploration. Surprise. So you can see that they have the trade acid here. They have assess protocol and behavior real modifier. So the psychological architecture for you of UX, you can see the trade collections, which is divided into the four warehouses. Each represent a distinct emotional logic and behavior pattern and cultural lens. So they are not the rules to perform or aesthetics to wear. They are the system of perception reflecting how you process the word, signal yourself online, or mask you to avoid. So they are for the origin one, where they are familiar, social, acceptable. This house contains basically traits we inherit, absorb, and perform without questioning. They are cultural, safe, and quietly rewarded. You will definitely find these personalities in HR templates, wellness post, and first aid. So the red flags are another one. As you know about the red flags, things going on these days, they are reactive, unstable. You can see it here. These traits in the house come from defense, control, validation, and awareness. You might recognize them, joke about them, even wear the with the pride, but they are hard to change. So the another one is the wholesome, which is detect, ironic, perform. This house reflect that how many in the digital generation express identity, half joking, indirectly self-aware, and also always shifting. So they are like that. Another whole sum is given, and this house reflect that how many digital generation express identity, half joking, indirect, self-aware, always shifting. These traits are not about pretending, that they are about managing attention, reflecting scenario, and they are staying in the control by working. So you can see these from here. The identity is your SS key. So you can go, it's not a cosmetic, it's governs what you can do with it, with the shape and involve across the system. So you can see it here, the tool layer is given, a model layer and the persona layer is given. You can go for that. The foundation of UX here, build modular AI tools, and from automation chains to creative utilities, that they are giving a lot. Like you can go for the layers in the different way, like the model layer and the task specific AI agents, and also for their tools. And there's also for the persona, where they come the not just performance tasks, but they are embodying memory, emotions, and behavioral norms. So they are like the person as the AI. So meta AI personality is designed from traits. You can see that each trait NFT can evolve into the interactive AI persona, one that continuously adopt its behavior. So he's a bubble bomb. So bubble bomb is a Bible check, Glowfy, and you can see it's here given expect puns, and you can see bored ones, also joke, distractions, and you can see another one is given. This is the girl, which is honey coated, and I like that honey coated, which is from the wholesome house and a static visual. You can see this blue one here, which is the blue static, and which is from the origin realistic. And you can see it here, there are different is given. Another one which is in the dark coffee is given. You can even choose this NFT's character, the other layers for tradable, you can see. So I will just go to their deck now and share that with you about the deck. You can even see that deck from here too. So you can see it here is about the on the logic shape the future, and it is the AI ecosystem. You can see they have the agenda, which is the market insight, system overview, and you can see capsule NFT scaling forward. So marketing insight, first of all, I will share with you that from general AI to the self on intelligence, they have the AI, which is the new default here. From workflows to the daily life, you will get that. The global market size has value USD, and here all details. The high functional ranking of market available AI entities and their accessibilities. You can see they are on that prompt of responsive Asian, and the last one is the reactive tool. You can even see what's under mining AI usability and reach here. They have given the detail. The system overview is given a stack mirror uses. So what is U.X? You can see U.X is a modular AI ecosystem where user can explore, build, and on and monetize intelligent agents shared by individual identity and interaction adaptive logic. So they empower you to construct agents that reflect their personal logic, tone, and purpose, while also offering access a shared marketplace of AI tools, services, and agent built by you. So you can see they have four interconnected domains, which is a blockchain infrastructure, AI tool and agent layer, and AI integrated social layer, and AI tool and agent marketplace. So you can see it if they have the AI marketplace where the lessons and persistence task based agent, and another one is given AI tool agent layer, and agent layer where they give the layers about that. The social layer also given. You can read all these from here and get to know about them. So a product positioning is can beyond the app towards the executable. You can see they have the levels here that you can go for that AI apps, AI toolkits, and your X tool agent. So they are just comparison given here, so you can go for that. And here is a who UX is built for. They are for the applied user, the generative users, and also for the experimental users. So if you are new, don't be afraid, it is a user friendly interface here. So their vision and mission is also given. You can see what makes you different. So they have the four things. The competitive advantages, what makes UX different from other are: number one is the identity driven intelligent composable architecture, shared asset and behavioral evaluation. You can see that they have the capsule NFTs, you can get that here. The all the detail is given, they have the roadmap is given. I shared their all details here. So be with it and do your research to and go in work in it. So I share all the details, and now I will be with you in the next video. Thank you for watching.